The Poets Tour, what a blessing.
It began in 2017 with a vision to take poetry to the students of Jamaica. By the second year, it grew to over 18 poets, and by the third year, we had over 30 poets going into the schools and colleges in Jamaica and sharing the joy of poetry with the students.
I'm so excited about the school tour. It's a very important involvement by professional poets, and it's really key for Jamaican children, for children to know and interact with live poets, poets who are alive, poets who are writing, to encourage them, to inspire them, to incite them to know that they too can be poets, something which I didn't know for a long time when I was growing up.
Poets rarely ever get to collaborate in this kind of way. We get to move the word around the island, which was a beautiful, powerful experience, but also just for the students and even the teachers, seeing and hearing the word, inspiring the students and the conversations afterward, I think is so important for the next batch of writers.
I feel like poetry could be used more in schools and used as a therapy and used as, expressing one's pain, their joy. I learned a lot. I really stepped out of my shell, especially at Edna Manley, because it was, to me, I would consider it my breakout moment where I really grew and let loose, and I learned a lot.
The Poet School Tour is an amazing experience for the students, the teachers, and even the poets themselves. Even we get something out of this tour. We learn so much from each other. We unearth new talent while we're on the road. We inspire creativity and we bring hope. Please, I'm asking you to lend your support to this very worthwhile cause. It is a very worthwhile venture that breathes life. It teaches our youth a better way to express themselves, a healthier way, and it keeps our culture alive for generations to come. So please, support the Poets School Tour. We go in November and we need all the help we can get. Thank you.